I drew this in a previous video, but today I'll draw multiple crazy characters. Sit tight, cause you're gonna love this. All I need to do is get the epic mechanical pencil and number my sketchbook from 1 to 10.
Just get away, elevate the pace and leave.
Now we start the first character with a sketch.
We up on magic, try to make sense out the madness.
For some reason, the sketch was mostly simple, but it kinda took longer than I expected. Now we move on to stage 2 of the process, painting. Painting is the epic part because that's where you can make your sketches look way more delicious. That's my favorite part. Now it's time for some inking. Inking with a paintbrush is kinda difficult. It isn't impossible, but it isn't exactly easy. I think it would be much easier with fine liners. It's 5 p.m. but I have to paint his sweater. I'll use red for it. Editor, shape-shifting artist. Give me some epic B-roll.
Why would I settle for less? If I only put in my best. Yes, I was broke before past tense. I'm rich who I want to be. Yes, judging my moves. What's the reason they're pressed? Hating on others is why you're depressed. Hating on others won't clean up your mess. I say my opinion, I can't be suppressed.
We're finally done with the first character, and it turned out epic. Now let's move on to the second character. I'm drawing SpongeBob, but I'm gonna make him look crazy. You really don't want to miss this, because I think you'll love it. During the painting process of SpongeBob, I wanted to add shadows on him, but I didn't know how to get the proper color for the shadows. It still turned out perfect. Now it's time to draw our third crazy character. This is the best one yet. I know green may not exactly be the best color, but sit back, relax, and trust the process. It's almost 22 o'clock, but let's continue. The upper face of this crazy character wasn't easy to paint, but I did it still. Now let's paint the jaw of this character.
Skate away, elevate the pace and leave it all right now. Just skate away, elevate.
We're finally done with the color green for the face. Now let's move on to the eyes. So far, so good. The drawing is starting to come together. Right now, I'm noticing that the color I'm using for the skin looks more orange than Caucasian. The teeth and neck are both done, and now all that's left is the clothes. I'm gonna paint the jacket red because red is a bright color. Enjoy the B-roll and enjoy the reveal.